Sushant Singh Rajput's post-mortem and autopsy reports were re-examined by a team of forensic experts who handed over their report to the CBI on Monday. Times Now has managed to access the report that is critical of how the hospital conducted the first examination of the late actor's mortal remains. First update. There were no organic toxins found in Sushant's mortal remains. There were many conspiracy theories and doubts that the actor had been given toxic substances to cause his demise. But according to the AIIMS report, allegedly no organic toxins were found in the actor's mortal remains. Second update. No timestamp. This is a major error pointed out by the AIIMS team that will have to be answered by the Mumbai hospital that conducted the autopsy and forensic examination of the late actor's mortal remains. The hospital's failure to the approximate time of demise is a glaring mistake since the time of demise can determine many other findings of an autopsy or forensic examination. Third update, poor lighting. The team at AIIMS has allegedly stated in its report that the room in which the autopsy was conducted on Sushant's mortal remains was poorly lit. As per the Times Now news report, the autopsy on the actor's mortal remains began only at 11 p.m. at night, over 12 hours after his demise. Fourth update. Delay in collecting forensic evidence. Another important concern is the delay of almost 48 hours in collecting forensic evidence, which may have also caused a loss of important evidence. The question that can arise from this observation is whether the CBI can base their investigation on a report that may be compromised from the very beginning. Fifth update. Cause of death inconclusive. While there are some reports that say that the AIIMS team is yet to complete certain parts of their investigation, according to the details accessed by Times Now, the AIIMS team has not been able to conclusively determine if the actor passed away by bringing about his own demise or there was foul play involved. According to Times Now, no one has been given a clean chit. According to reports, the CBI will continue with its investigation into abetment charges that were in the FIR filed by Sushant's family against Rhea Chakraborty. The chairman of AIIMS Forensic Medical Board, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, has commented, AIIMS and the CBI are in agreement on the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, but more deliberations are needed. There is a need to look into some legal aspects for a logical legal conclusion in due course of time. It will be totally conclusive. One has to wait and watch to see what the top agencies in the country can conclude from a case where so many errors and mysterious mistakes seem to have been made from day one. Hopefully, the truth will prevail and the late actor will get justice soon.